Hello, welcome to this section of the training. Now in this section I'll be showing you how to uh, go through the payment setup. Okay, you can see this is a website we built. Okay, now suppose I want to buy a product. Let's say I want to buy this product. Let me just right click and open a new tab. Okay, now normally what you're supposed to do, okay, when you go to your WooCommERCE setting, okay, let's go. Okay, WooCommERCE settings. Okay, you have payment. Okay, I remember the payment we are using is Paystack, so I'll click manage. Okay, so the settings I made here, I actually made just I use the test secret key and test public key. Now what you're supposed to do when you go to Paystack, if your account is verified, you should have live keys. Okay, somewhere here you can just change, but because my account, I'm just using a test account here. Okay, so you can just verify this account. Okay, when you do so, you should have your test keys. Then all you do is copy them, and you go to your WordPress dashboard and paste. Then you save changes. Okay, so when you do that, you should be able to accept payment in your website. Okay, so suppose I want to buy this product right here, I will just click add to cart. So when I click add to cart, it takes me to this place that view cart. So I view cart. Okay, so I can just type the number of quantity I want to buy. Okay, so I actually want to buy one. Okay, if there's a coupon code, you allow coupon code, you can enter a coupon code. Okay, so let me change this to 1 and click update cart. Then I'll click proceed to payment, proceed to checkout. All right, so from here I'm going to fill in the details. Okay, so you can fill in your details right here. Okay, now you can click save to account. Okay, click place order. All right, so when you do this, you are taken to this page where you can now click pay now or cancel order. So let me click pay now. So it's loading. Okay, so normally for this section you have bank, okay, USD. Okay, when you choose card, you can, okay, so normally you're supposed to enter your card here, but since I'm using test mode, okay, so I can just select this and click pay. Okay, so you can see choose payment successful, and it reloads. Okay, so that's just how the whole process is. Okay, all right, so that's how this is the receipt. Okay, all right, so that's how the whole process is. Okay, so this is the end of this section. Okay, all right.